Import print files into printing software. Printing starts. The oven temp to reach the set value. This is the first condition required to activate auto mode. Next, close feed. Turn on the fan. Pull the film to the suction platform to make it sucked. Pour powder. Turn on the dusting function to apply powder onto the film. Switch to automatic mode. Adjust the powder holders on both sides to prevent the powder from falling too quickly. The second condition to activate auto mode is that the powder weight must exceed 50. If the value lower than 30, the machine will pause feeding. The third condition is that the front media sensor must detect film. When the X1 signal turns gray, it means the film has been detected. Align the film and tighten the tension evenly on both sides. Tape the film to the take-up roller. Printing completed. Moving film. Cutting film. Switch to link mode. Now the machine will automatically complete all the steps. In link mode, the machine will continuously feed the film without requiring the 3 conditions needed in auto mode. Switch to manual mode. After 15 minutes of no load, turn off the powder shaker.